na lang ako.
Hindi ako magpaparinig.
Gambled na lang. Kung mag-yes siya, wala na ako magawa. Nag-yes na eh.
Very touchy siya. So, I think yun. Di ba?
Hindi mo napansin ang act of love ko?
Iba yung meaning mo paghihimas. May kailangan ka pala.
Yung relationship namin kasi, we started off as friends lang talaga. After that, parang we got together and then yung treatment namin between each other still the same. Parang friends lang din hanggang ngayon. Friend ko lang din siya ngayon eh. That I guess that's what's keeping our relationship. Alam mo naman na after Joaquin, we've always wanted another one. Sana you keep doing what you're doing now, taking care of your family. You're always sacrificing for this family. And isipin mo din sarili mo. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Huwag mo kaming laging isipin lang. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Always.
Always yan, nagpaparinig na kasi. So
Hindi.
parang ako napilitan na lang ako.
Hindi ako
So,
magpaparinig.
gambled na lang kung mag